Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness Freaks India and ये वीडियो है मेरे 90 डे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का। As you all know, कोविड की वजह से gyms were closed for 6 months. So जो ये लॉकडाउन फेज था, being a foodie, I hope many of you can relate. 6 महीने में हम लोगों ने अपने फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है। Me being a regular to gym, it's been like 17 years, more than 17 years since I've been working out. So मेरे लिए it was especially tough because I am not a home workout kind of a person. Reason being, when you are addicted to these hardcore trainings, you find it a little hard to cope up with those home workouts because they only feel like a warm up. So for 6 months लॉकडाउन में हम लोगों ने अपनी ईटिंग हैबिट्स का ध्यान नहीं दिया एंड उस वजह से आई गेस मेरे जैसे बॉडी टाइप वालों ने एटलीस्ट वेट पुट ऑन कर लिया होगा। मतलब आई वॉज इन माई वर्स्ट शेप। आई डिसाइडेड टू रिकॉर्ड माई 90 डे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। बीइंग अ फिटनेस प्रोफेशनल, वी आर genuinely used to all this. With seasons, we bulk up, we lean down. I took a very regular approach. I wanted to feel how a normal person, now an average person who works out and who wants to achieve results can do it. Can they do it in approximately 12 weeks? This is not the end of my transformation, obviously. I'll keep on working on my physique and I'll get back to my shape I have been used to. I hope you like the video. I'll be sharing my journey with you. I recorded almost every day, so here I'm sharing my journey with you. Let's have a look. If I talk about my diet, मैंने कोई बहुत strict diet approach नहीं रखी during these 90 days. Occasionally I was going out with my friends, having cheat meals, not cheat days obviously, having cheat meals once in a week. But being a vegetarian, we don't have many options. So when it comes to diet, my regular routine, it was very monotonous. So I was like, my breakfast used to be like sprouts, poha, lots of veggies, chila, like oats chila or mung dal chila, brown bread sandwich, avoiding cheese, avoiding butter, just normal stuffing it with veggies. Lunch mein boiled rice was a fixed boiled white rice was affixed with the different varieties of boiled dal. No munching in between, and dinner used to be very light. Dinner mein I was totally on veggies, soups or boiled dal. Totally मैंने डेयरी अवॉइड किया. आई पर्सनली नेवर सजेस्ट एनीबडी जो लीन डाउन होना चाह रहा है, 6 पैक्स पे काम करना चाह रहा है, वेट लॉस करना चाह रहा है, डिफरेंस इन ओपिनियन हो सकता है, बट आई एम समबडी हु नेवर रिकमेंड्स डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स जब आप वेट लॉस या लीन डाउन करना चाह रहे हो. आई टुक लाइक 3 to 4 गुड मील्स, हाई प्रोटीन ब्रेकफास्ट, देन लंच. I was maintaining a good balance with my supplementation and diet. I'll be very honest. So being professionals, हम लोग usually आखिरी के दिनों में भी start giving up on salt, we start giving up on water, but मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. I worked on my calorie deficit pattern, doing decent amount of cardio, 20 to 30 minutes every day. Not overdoing it obviously, क्योंकि मुझे muscle loss avoid करना था. Core training for like 15-20 minutes every day, training my front abs one day, then giving it rest, then training my side abs, and that way I was like alternately maintaining a schedule. And body part, lots of drop sets, lots of supersets. For 1 month मैंने एक body part एक दिन में train कर रहा था. Then another month I changed it with 2 body parts in a day, compensating on the number of workouts. So I was switching my training regularly. Seeing the muscle maturity in these 90 days, it is because I've been working out for so long. So don't expect miracles 90 days में. Obviously हर body अलग respond करती है. If you have a different body type than mine, obviously your body won't respond the same way. Work on the calorie deficit pattern. Don't overdo your cardio. Don't ignore your core training. Don't ignore any muscle, any body part. If you don't like legs, still train legs. If you don't like any of your upper body part, still train that body part. Maintain a good upper and lower body proportion. मैंने आपके साथ काफी कुछ शेयर किया है. I hope you find helpful, useful. आप चाहते हो मैं जर्नी की कोई और डिटेल शेयर करूं, डू मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आप इस चैनल के और वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा एंड बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे फिट. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम. सी या.